Hello, today I'm gonna explain to you how I have built my own solar system for watering. Here you can see my panel, which is only a 60 watts, and then here I have the charging control and my battery. You can have a good look. Here I have a timer that controls my irrigation timing, and at the end that's my battery. Here is my inverter. This is actually a switch that I have used. So the timer basically opens the inverter, and then one switch here is for inverter, the other one is for my pump, and the other one is for my electric basically valve that opens the water basically. I've also used some lamps which are 20 volts. That's my tank. I pay somebody to fill it up. It's actually quite cheap to fill the tank here. It's maybe to fill it up completely, which is 4,000 liters, cost me only maybe 12 bucks, so not very expensive. And this is the pipe going to the pump. I didn't put the pump just close to the tank because there was no protection against any vagaries or something, so I just put the pump here. This is the inlet and this is the outlet. This is the electricity from my inverter. This is 22 volt, 220 volt. If you can see that, yeah. Very small HP you can see here, so I don't need to have a very strong pump. And the water comes here, goes to this valve, goes out to my garden by this hose, which is a small one. I don't have a very big garden, so you can see the small garden here. Only about 20 trees. I just planted them, so they are still small. This is my electric valve here. So the timer goes off at the set time, and by this wire it opens the valve, sends the electricity to the pump, and yeah, see, this is my hose. Small drippers. The trees are only maybe 2-3 years old, so the pressure is enough. I water them currently 6 minutes a day. Even in the summer this is still okay, but next summer maybe I put it in 8 minutes because they're bigger, and now it's autumn, so they don't need that much water, but you can see some of them are going yellow, so but I still water them 6 minutes a day because I have a half a full tank still. So before winter I wanna just empty it by watering the plants. There is also a manual switch here. I can turn everything on. Here. Just manually. This is the pressure of the water. This is the first tree, so pressure is good, but at the end I got quite a lot of drop in the pressure, so I could use a bigger pump, but you know, my battery is not big, so it's still okay. This is the pressure that I would get at the end of the line. You can see it's just drops basically, not that much pressure. So the pump is just working on inverter, no mains or anything, just inverter. This is still okay for my purpose. So it is also a modified sine inverter, not a pure sine. It's very cheap. I bought it maybe for $70 or something. It just does my job really. So it's 1500 watts, I think, on a very small pump. Yeah, very small pump. But you can see the pressure is okay for like 20 trees. So if I had more, it wouldn't be enough. And if the trees go bigger, maybe the pressure is not enough, or I'll have to put it to water like 20 minutes a day or something. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you use solar energy. It's cheap. The total setup for me costs maybe like less than $200, and I can do my job. You can see there is supply here, but I don't use it. I have to pay for not only for the electricity that I use, also in order for them to install it and to have a meter here, it's gonna cost me. So I just use a simple solar one. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. By the way, it's Lavasan near Tehran, Iran. Have a good day.